Dear students, good morning to you all. Today we are getting into our next book, English Part 2.
I know part 2 books are not ready at school now, but you can collect it next week onwards. Anyhow, let us start Unit 5, The Little Clay Hut. First of all, let me read the entire story and finally I will explain the summary to you. Before that, I will say something about village and the people live there. In olden days, majority of our country were villages. That means remote areas people who live villages are farmers and many kind of working people. They all lived very happily in villages with love, care and affection. Here in our story, we are dealing with love, care and affection among different creatures. Okay, let's start our story. Story name, The Little Clay Hut. This is an imaginary story.
Okay? Okay, dear children, let's watch the story. All of you look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? Yes, we can see a clay pot. We can see a clay pot. Okay, let's start the story. The journey. Dear children, look at the picture. What do you see here? Yes, we can see a village road. Next, a bullock cart. Okay, next one. A cartman and two bullocks. Okay, where do they go? Okay, let's look. Duck, duck, duck. Down the village road, a bullock cart moved on. The cart full of clay pots went swinging and swaying along. Humming a tune, the cartman drove along. A little clay pot peeped out and cried, "Wow, what a beautiful place!" Dear children, do you use clay pots at home? Yes. What is special about clay pots? Yes, they are cheap. Next, better for cooking. Then, easily breakable. Dear children, where were the clay pots taken to? Okay, let's look. Bus the fly. Pluck. Down jumped the pot on the grass bed. The pot rolled over and hid in the thick green meadows. By and by, a fly came flying and saw the pot. It was Bus the fly. "Oh, a little clay hut. I wonder who lives here." "You who? Anyone inside?" She looked inside the pot. It was empty. The fly flew in and made the pot her home. Dear children, do you know why didn't the clay pot break when it jumped down? Yes, it did not break because it fell onto the grass bed. Okay? Why did the fly decided to make the clay pot her home? Yes, there was nobody inside. It was empty. It was nice home. So she decided to make it her home. Okay? Dear children, look at the picture. Who was in the pot? Yes, a fly. She was alone. One day a visitor came. Who was it? Okay, let's look. Crunch Much the mouse. Crunch Much the mouse. By and by, a mouse came onto the pot. Oh, a little clay hut with a window. I wonder who lives here. Yoo-hoo! Anyone inside? The mouse asked. I am Busfus, the fly here. Who are you? Crunch much the mouse. Well, why don't you move in with me? So the mouse scurried in and both of them made the pot their home. Dear children, who made the window? Who made? Yes, the fly. Then what happened next? Okay, let's look. Dear children, all of you look at the picture. Now in the pot hut there are two inmates. Okay. Who are the inmates? Now, yes, the fly and the mouse. Dear children, who is looking at the pot hut? Who is looking at the pot hut? Yes, a frog. A frog. What does it want? Okay, let's look. Hop, stop the frog. Hop, stop the frog. By and by, a frog came hopping by and it saw the pot. Oh, a little clay hut with a window. I wonder who lives here. Yoo-hoo! Anyone inside? Yes, Busfus the fly and Kretman the mouse. And who are you? Hopstop the frog. Well, why don't you move in with us? So the frog hopped in and three made the pot their home. Dear children, there are three friends in the pot already. Who are they? Yes, Busfus the fly, Krentmud the mouse, then Hopstop the frog. Okay. Can the pot hold more friends? Why? Yes, the pot can hold more friends because the friends are small. Okay, dear children, look at the clay hut. Look at the clay hut. Whose clay hut is it? Whose clay hut is it? Yes, it is the clay hut of the fly, the mouse, and the frog. Okay, dear children, who will come next? Who will come next? Okay, let's look. Fleet feet the rabbit. Fleet feet the rabbit. By and by, a rabbit came by and saw the pot. Oh, a little clay hut with a window. I wonder who live here. Yoo-hoo! Anyone inside? Here we are, Busfus the fly, Krentmud the mouse, and Hopstop the frog. And who are you? Fleet feet the rabbit. Well, why don't you move in with us? So the rabbit jumped in and the four made the pot their home. Okay. Dear children, how did the rabbit get in the pot? Yes, the rabbit jumped in the pot. Who invited the rabbit into the clay hut? The fly, the mouse, and the frog together invited the rabbit into the clay hut. How many friends are there in the pot now? Yes, 4. Who are they? Yes, they are the fly, the mouse, the frog, and the rabbit. Okay. Okay, dear children, look at the next picture. Who will come next? Okay, let's look. Fluffy Huffy the fox. After a while, A fox came running up and saw the hut. Oh, a little clay hut with a window. I wonder who lives here. You who? Anyone inside? Here we are. Busfus the fly, Crunchman the mouse, Hopstop the frog, and Fleet Feet the rabbit. And who are you? Fluffy Huffy the fox. Well, why don't you move in with us? So the fox trotted in and the five made the pot their home. Dear children, how many friends are there in the pot now? Yes, 5. Who are they? They are the fly, the mouse, the frog, the rabbit, and the fox. Dear children, would the clay hut break if the fox moved inside? No, the fox moved in carefully because it was his home too. Okay, then look next picture. Who is the next visitor? Okay, let's look. Howly Prowly the wolf. Howly Prowly the wolf. After a while, a wolf came strolling by and saw the hut. Oh, a little clay hut with a window. I wonder who live here. You who? Anyone inside? Here we are. Busfus the fly, Crunchman the mouse, Hopstop the frog, Fleet Feet the rabbit, and Fluffy Huffy the fox. And who are you? Howly Prowly the wolf. Well, why don't you move in with us? So the wolf squeezed in and the 6 made the pot the home and lived there happily. Dear children, how many friends are there in the pot now? Yes, 6. Who are they? They are the fly, the mouse, the frog, the rabbit, the fox, and 6th one, the wolf. Dear children, what may happen to the clay hut when bigger animals come to live in it? Yes, the clay hut may be filled in. The inmates may not get enough space. Okay, dear children, let's look what happened next. Gumbly Grumbly the bird. One day a bird came running up and saw the pot. He stopped and asked, You who? Anyone inside? Here we are, Busfus the fly, Crunchman the mouse, Hopstop the frog, Fleet Feet the rabbit, Fluffy Huffy the fox, and Howly Prowly the wolf. And who are you? I am Gumbly Grumbly the bird. I am Gumbly Grumbly the bird. You know me. If I hold you fast, you will breathe your last. Ha ha ha. The friends inside the little clay hut laugh. Why are you laughing? I smashed your hut, the bird said, and he sat on the pot. But the pot did not break. I will destroy your hut. Then the bird tried to kick off the pot. Nothing happened. Only his legs twinkled with pain. Dear children, why couldn't the bird break the clay hut? Yes, the clay hut was made strong by the friends. It was made of love. Is the bird like the others in the clay hut? No, the bird is not like the others. How is he different from others? Yes, he is cruel. He is not loving. Others are kind and loving. Okay, dear children, let's look what happened next. All of you look at the picture. What are the animals doing? Yes, they are dancing with joy. Why are they dancing? Is the bird there? What did the bird do? Okay, let's look what happened next. The house of love. The house of love. The house did not break. Dear grumbly grumbly bird, you can't break this house because it is made of love. The friends laughed and said, and the bird went back to the forest. Bus Fuss the fly, Crunch Munch the mouse, Hop Stop the frog, Fleet Feet the rabbit, Fluffy Huffy the fox, and Howly Prowly the wolf lived in that clay hut for many, many years, dancing and swinging, chatting and playing. Dear children, will the bird come back to the clay hut? Will the bird come back to the clay hut? No, never. He knows the other animals do not like him. Will the bird's attitude change if it comes back? Yes, his attitude will change. Okay, dear children, do you enjoy this story? Do you understand this story? Okay, let's look the summary.
One day, a bullock cart moved on to the village with full of clay pots. Suddenly, a small pot jumped out of the cart to the thick green meadows. What is meadows? Do you know? Yeah, meadow is an area of land with grass. At that time, a fly named Bus Fuss came there. She saw the pot and looked inside. It was an empty pot. So she decided to live inside the pot and gave the name Clay Hut. And she also made a window. Now the clay hut was very beautiful. It was very nice. After some time, a mouse named Crunch Munch came there. She saw that beautiful hut and eagerly looked in it. And who lived here? At a moment, Bus Fuss the fly came out of the hut and invited the mouse. What was the name of the mouse? Yes, Crunch Munch. They lived there very happily. By and by, a frog came hopping by and it saw the pot. He saw the wonderful hut and asked who lived here. That time the fly and the mouse came out of it and revealed we lived here. They asked, "Do you join with us?" Then three of them lived together. Soon the hop-stop frog, the fleet-feet rabbit, the fluffy-huffy fox, and the howly-prowly wolf became inhabitants of the clay hut. Then one day a bird called Grumbly Grumbly came to their house. The bird, jealous of their loving life, tried to destroy the hut. Grumbly Grumbly climbed on top of the clay hut and tried to throw the clay pot away. But nothing happened to the hut. They told the she bear,
"You cannot destroy our house
because it is made with love.
Dear children, do you understand the story? Okay. ഒരിക്കൽ ഒരു ഗ്രാമത്തിലൂടെ ഒരു കാളവണ്ടി നിറയെ മൺകലവുമായി നീങ്ങുകയായിരുന്നു. പെട്ടെന്ന് അതിൽ നിന്ന് ഒരു ചെറിയ മൺകലം താഴേക്ക് വീണു. അപ്പോൾ അതുവഴി ബസ് ഫസ്റ്റ് എന്ന ഒരു ഈച്ച വന്നു. അവൾ ആ മൺകലത്തെ അവളുടെ വീടാക്കി മാറ്റി. ദ ലിറ്റിൽ ക്ലേ ഹട്ട് എന്ന് പേരും നൽകി. ഒരു വിൻഡോയും വെച്ചു. താമസിയാതെ ക്രഞ്ച് മഞ്ച് എന്ന ചുണ്ടലി അവിടെ എത്തി. ഈച്ചയുടെ അനുവാദത്തോടെ ചുണ്ടലിയും മൺവീട്ടിൽ താമസമാക്കി. വൈകാതെ ഹോപ്പ് സ്റ്റോപ്പ് എന്ന തവളയും ഫ്ലീറ്റ് ഹീറ്റ് എന്ന മുയലും പ്ലഫി ഹഫി എന്ന കുറുക്കനും ഹൗലി പ്രൗലി എന്ന ചെന്നായയും കളിമൺ കുടിലിലെ താമസക്കാരായി. അങ്ങനെയിരിക്കെ ഒരു ദിവസം ഗംബ്ലി ഗ്രംബ്ലി എന്ന കരടി അവരുടെ വീട്ടിലെത്തി. അവരുടെ സ്നേഹത്തോടെയുള്ള ജീവിതം കണ്ട് അസൂയ തോന്നിയ കരടി ആ കുടിൽ നശിപ്പിക്കാൻ ശ്രമിച്ചു. ഗംബ്ലി ഗ്രംബ്ലി കളിമൺ കുടിലിൻ്റെ മുകളിൽ കയറിയിരുന്ന് മൺകുടത്തെ തൊഴിച്ച് ദൂരേക്ക് കളയാൻ ശ്രമിച്ചു. പക്ഷേ വീടിനൊന്നും സംഭവിച്ചില്ല. നാണിച്ചു പോയ കരടിയോട് അവർ പറഞ്ഞു, ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഭവനം നിനക്ക് തകർക്കാൻ കഴിയില്ല, കാരണം അത് സ്നേഹം കൊണ്ട് നിർമ്മിച്ചതാണ്. Dear children, in this story we can see love, care and affection among different creatures. What is the moral of this story? Yeah, unity is strength. Okay, all of you read the lesson carefully and find out the new words and write the new words 5 times in your notebook. Okay, thank you so much. See you in the next class.